5 most common reasons why people stay at jobs they hate. Number 5, lack of opportunities. Okay, you're probably saying, but Jamie, there are all kinds of jobs out there right now. And to that, I say, are you sure? Jobs that require little experience just don't pay well. And jobs that require some experience are super competitive. Number 4, lacking skills. Or more specifically, feeling like you are lacking the skills needed to do something more worthwhile, or that could potentially provide you with a higher income. Number 3, change. Does anyone truly like change? I know I don't, but there comes a time when change is essential if you're ever going to reach your goals. Number 2, seniority. The idea of giving up all that you have achieved at a job and starting all over again just isn't appealing. And the number 1 reason why people stay at jobs that they hate is fear. Fear of failure and fear of trying to learn something new. And quite frankly, fear of the previous 4 reasons. The list could go on and on. If you're here watching this, it's probably because you've been looking for a way to make money online and break out of the 9 to 5. So if any of the 5 reasons sound like you, I'm here to tell you that you only get one shot at this thing called life. You are the only thing holding yourself back. And you don't even have to quit your job right away to get started with digital marketing. All you need is the willingness and commitment to put in at least 3 hours per day to learning these new high-income skills. Message me to learn more, or simply click the link in my bio to review a free training offer.